Well, artificial intelligence is prompting Google to change its search bar, iconic search bar, for the first time in more than 25 years. The tech giant announced a slew of upgrades during its annual developers conference, placing AI at the center of everything. So I want to bring in Mashable tech editor Tim Werth to go through some of the big announcements that, hi there, today. Tim, let's start with the search bar, since that's how most of us navigate the web and Google. How is it changing?
Yeah, so Google describes this as one of the biggest changes to the search bar in decades. So essentially, it's expanding, literally. Google says it's now an intelligent text box. So when you type in there, it will literally expand. So you can ask very conversational questions. You could actually ask multiple questions in the same query. You can also upload images, videos, audio files, PDFs, whatever you want. So instead of just searching a keyword, you can actually make a very lengthy, detailed prompt. So yeah, it's a pretty major update. I know some news publishers are a bit nervous about this one. Google increasingly eating their lunch a little bit, but it's a big change.
Yeah, a lot of concerns with this, also having to do with privacy. Are there any guardrails or privacy concerns when it comes to these new features?
Yeah, so Google rolled out a ton of AI features. I actually put the exact question to Blake Barnes, VP of product at Gmail. And he was very quick to emphasize, look, nothing is changing with our privacy. It's still very strict. It's still very much in your control, right? So you choose how much access Google has. So that's one thing. They also introduced a new AI agent, which will be rolling out in the months ahead. And they also said, hey, this thing's going to be able to make purchases for you, but we're treating it like a teenager with their first debit card. So at first, you're in control, you approve everything, and over time, it will get more powerful. But at the end of the day, it's about trust. How much trust do you put in Google?
Sure. Well, Google and Samsung also gave us a first glimpse of their new smart glasses. So what can we expect this time around?
Yeah, they're describing these first glasses as audio glasses, meaning
Okay.
you talk to them, they don't have a built-in display. What's really notable about these glasses is they actually look cool. They were designed with the South Korean eyewear brand Gentle Monster. There's another pair with Warby Parker, and they don't scream, hey, I'm wearing smart glasses. So they're actually kind of stylish, which is the big first for the industry. And of course, it's all about AI. You can ask any question you want, Gemini will respond. So I'm excited to test these out. We don't have a launch date, but we do know sometime this fall.
Yeah, and I remember when the first Google glasses came out, and they were really controversial. And in fact, there was even acts of violence against people in bars that were wearing these different smart glasses because there was a fear of an invasion of privacy. Do these glasses accomplish any of that or solve any of those issues?
It's still the exact same problem. Silicon Valley is really pushing smart glasses, and it's really an open question if people are going to accept cameras in your face 24/7. I think we as a society are going to have to figure that out. I think it's an open question for now.
All right, Tim Werth, thanks so much.